Welcome back to the Chai Wala Show. This is Angela, your chai girl, where every stories are brewed fresh, just like a perfect cup of chai. Here we just don't talk about success. We uncover the hustle, the flavors, and the dreams that make every journey inspiring. Today's episode is extra special because we're diving into food, passion, and entrepreneurship with the owner of Dosa Boys Waterloo. So grab your chai, settle in, and let's meet our guest Aditi.
I'm a holistic nutritionist. When we came here, it was a little difficult. I couldn't go and ask for the job as a dietitian.
कुछ तो हटके करना था.
Yeah, have to do something. We have to pay for our bills. There is no money in your pocket, but still the smile should be on your face.
How that experiences shaped you the way you run Dosa Boys today?
I don't know what's in dosa. I don't know. Very much nervous. Scolded number of times from the manager. Go back to the basic again. Go back to the scare. Everything was settled.
So hi Aditi, I'm so excited to have a conversation with you today. How did your journey start in Canada? I want to know your story today.
Yeah, first of all, thanks for having me here, Angela. Coming here in Canada, I'm feeling nostalgic right now. So we came here in 2015, me and my husband, right after we got married. When we came here, everything was very much new, pretty much new, because 2015, so many people were immigrating to that Brampton or Mississauga. So it was difficult for us to where should we live. Like we have to decide which place we need to rent a place and everything.
Correct.
And then somehow our sister-in-law was here, and then my sister-in-law was here. His sister was there. So we contacted them, and then they asked us to come to Brampton as usual, and then we moved to Brampton just like a normal Indian person or maybe Punjabi, I would say. So so
For all Punjabis, their first option is like Brampton.
now it has been changed.
Now it has been changed.
Yeah, but yes. So after moving there, it was a little difficult. First, we have to find out the job and then get a license, car license, buy a car. So there was so much going on. We were very much nervous. But now, anyhow, everything was settled. And then I got my job, my husband got my job, but still there was something we wanted to do something different because we were doing something which is not in our profession, in our field.
कुछ तो हटके करना था.
Yeah, that's why we were conversating with each other. We were deciding what should we do. Like I'm a holistic nutritionist. I was a dietitian back in India.
Wow.
So yeah, I wanted to do something which is related to food or maybe diet or something like that. And my husband was with me in that platform. He was like, yeah, you should do something which is your passion.
Correct.
And that it keeps on going. 5 years has been passed, and then one day we decided, okay, now this is our goal. This is what we're gonna do. Yeah,
And that's how she became the founder of Dosa Boys.
I wouldn't say I'm a founder, but yeah, we initiated that.
Beautiful.
Yeah, that's how we started. We went to Dosa Boys. It's a franchise. So back in Brampton, we went there. We ate dosa, and I just liked it. I just loved it. It was in 2018. We started in 2022, but I went there in 2018, 2019.
Okay.
So yeah.
Like you started Dosa Boys in the year 2022. Like you owned that franchise.
Yeah, it took us 4 years.
Oh,
3 years, I would say, to finally
take that firm decision.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah. So we went there. I ate dosa. My husband is like, okay. Whenever he asks me, what do you want to eat? I always say dosa because I don't know what's in dosa. I don't know. I can tell you that one story. When I was in 8th standard, that was my first outing with my best friend to go and eat dosa. Because back in days, you are not allowed to go alone and eat.
Correct.
Yeah, so it was me and my best friend, and we went there and then ate dosa. And since that day, I just love dosa. Like
Was she
in
a South
any-
Indian?
No,
Like,
she's
was-
not. We,
Oh.
we both were Punjabi.
Oh,
And
wow.
mind you, all Punjabis love dosa. I know because I have
Oh,
my
my
restaurant
God.
now. I have more of Punjabi people coming in.
More of
dosa.
Punjabi
Yes,
customers
yes, yes.
compared to the South Indians.
South Indians
yeah.
are coming, that's for sure. But
Yeah.
if I want to compare the ratio, Punjabis are also there.
Oh
so
my
yeah,
God,
they stand
wow.
out.
And like as you said that you are or you were a nutritionist.
So back in India, I was a dietitian.
Okay.
And then I came here. There is another designation that holistic nutritionist.
Okay.
So I am licensed holistic nutritionist as well.
So Aditi, looking back on those early experiences, all those early experiences you had and you just shared with us, how that experiences shaped you the way you run Dosa Boys today. I want to know that.
We came here. We did so many random jobs, and one of them was Tim Hortons. So
Wow.
yeah, being a dietitian, I didn't have any license, so I couldn't go and ask for the job as a dietitian. So for the time being, I have to do something. We have to pay for our bills. So I joined Tim Hortons.
Struggle was part
Oh
of it.
my god, yeah. For everyone, whoever comes here,
Everyone,
it's
yeah.
not whether you're coming as a student, whether you're coming as a PR, we came as a PR. And being a PR, we still had our challenges. So my husband did a random job. I worked in a Tim Hortons, and then there I saw that it's not easy to run a business, a restaurant business, I would say, because you have to be on your toes all the time. You have to make sure that customer is being served properly. You have to make sure that the tea, coffee which you are giving to the customer, you have to give them with a smile.
Correct.
So whether you are sad, upset, there is no money in your pocket, but still the smile should be on your face.
Correct.
So yeah, I've learned it a hard way because back in India, I was a dietitian. I was sitting on a chair, giving diet charts to the people, to the patients, and now you are standing here. Then yeah, I learned it a hard way. I was scolded number of times from the manager or whatever because it's not easy to go back to the basic again, go back to the scare. Back to the scare. That was difficult, but I learned it. And
Every
I
day
think
was a
that's
new learning for you. Every
exactly
day.
exactly.
Yeah.
You have issues with your colleagues, you have issues with your manager. It was not an easy journey, but every day has a new learning, as you said. That's where we learned, that's where I learned that if I run a business somewhere in future, then these are the learnings I'm gonna take with me, and that's gonna shape me for sure. Because
Right.
yeah, initially you feel like what I'm doing, this is not what I'm supposed to do.
Correct.
But how would you learn that if you don't just step in? If you
Right.
think that this is not my field, I'm not supposed to do this thing, how would you move on? Yeah, you need to learn when you get into something.
Correct.
Yeah, and that's how it shaped me, and that's how my husband also learned so many things in his job.
Ups and
Yeah.
downs to hey,
Yeah,
like
it's there.
every time that is like part of your life. I
It's
mean,
there.
I think many of my friends are still working at Tim Hortons.
Mhm.
They are still students.
Yeah.
Of course, even I came to Canada, I guess 2.5 years
Mhm.
back. Of course, I was blessed with a really good job. Sometimes it's your luck, sometimes
Yeah,
it's your hard
of
work,
course.
sometimes it's your skills.
Mhm.
And even to work at Tim Hortons, people think that you don't need much skills, but let me
Oh,
tell
yeah.
you, you need a lot of skills.
Yeah.
A lot of skills, because I think Tim Hortons job actually teaches you how to be positive in a
Exactly.
fast-paced environment,
Mhm.
how to do multitasking.
Yeah.
क्योंकि सारे entrepreneurs को
हम्म।
तो multitasker तो बनना
बनना
ही
ही पड़ेगा।
because you have to handle lot of jobs, man.
Yeah.
Lot of jobs.
Yeah, and कुछ भी job छोटी नहीं होती।
कुछ भी job छोटी नहीं
Exactly,
होती है.
exactly.
Yeah.
It's just about how you making money, right? How you
Yeah.
paying your bills.
Correct.
That matters. किसी को मिल जाती है office job, they are okay, they are fine, perfect, but it's not that they are वो ऊपर से उतरे हैं कि वो अलग है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं
कुछ
होता.
नहीं
It's
है.
just maybe in your destiny or maybe your
Right.
extra hard work.
Extra hard work, extra
yeah.
skills. Like though I am still working out
Mhm.
of the hosting that I do for my Chai Wala show. Again, this is like my passive income you guys
Yeah.
can consider.
Mhm.
But the job that I do, again, it's a retail field job where I work. It's a fast-paced environment.
Yeah.
I get to meet n number of customers, n number of different attitudes,
Oh, yeah.
you know, and then you get to learn. And
Exactly.
you know, when you said that, Angela, you have to keep that smile on your
Yes,
face, no
yes.
matter even if you have a bad day.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
and that's how we learn how to be positive every day in our life.
Yeah, and I'm telling you that if you keep that smile, somebody would be saying you that, yeah, Aditi, this is what you are. Like,
Correct,
even if you
correct.
are upset, but they are happy that you are smiling. Even
Right.
so much is going on in your home, but someone is telling you that this is what you are. You have to keep smiling.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
the smile. So make sure, guys, you are always smiling.
Just
the
like
smile.
Aditi.
Yeah, just like me.
So there are some days when the restaurants are very slow. Okay, so when it is completely quiet, what do you do to stay motivated? I mean, do you use any kind of creative strategy or any kind of marketing strategy to get the customers in? I want to know that secret.
The secret is all out. सबका सेम ही मार्केटिंग होता है, but what's today's economy in Canada? It's going very low. You know that. Like,
Yeah.
students are not coming now. They are not letting immigrants to come. So many things has been changed. If I talk about 2020 and 2025, in those 5 years,
Vast difference.
very big
Vast
difference. So I would say it's not about marketing, it's about your food. How would you serve a food? What you are serving to the customer, the services and your food and your smile. So these all things matter. But yeah, definitely me and my husband always keep talking to each other. What should we do different, that people should more come to our restaurant.
Right.
Like that's why we have started a Friday music night. Every Friday we are doing.
मुझे भी आना है अभी एक
Yeah,
बार.
definitely. He's a very, very, very good
What's his
singer.
name? I want to know his name.
Jasprit.
Jasprit,
So what
okay.
happened? We went to a birthday party, someone's birthday party, and I met him there. And birthday party was happening, but I was just listening to him. His voice is very, very mellow, very, very sweet voice. he
Guys,
has.
check out the Dosa Boys profile. There you guys will find Jaspreet Singh.
Sanghera. Jasprit Singh.
Singh.
Sanghera.
Okay.
Yeah,
So I'll just
Jaspreet.
call him
Jaspreet
Jaspreet.
Singh,
This
yeah.
guy is a really good singer.
Yeah.
And कभी भी ऐसा like you know low feel कर रहे हो या कुछ भी ना, Friday night बना लो यार Dosa
Yeah,
Boys.
definitely. आप अपना दिमाग करो. Even karaoke night होती है.
Oh,
काफी
wow.
yeah, काफी customers who are good singers. I have videos. वो खुद आके उनके साथ गाते हैं.
Oh,
तो
wow.
इतना अच्छा माहौल बन जाता है. It's really सबके लिए जो है आए हुए हैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ, तो उनका दिन और भी अच्छा हो जाता है.
और भी
Because
अच्छा
now
हो जाता
one of
है.
the family member is also singing.
Wow.
So yeah, so that's how it
And ये
happens
आपका
every-
सिर्फ Waterloo में ही है ना?
ये वाटरलू में है. ये म्यूजिक नाइट.
Oh yes.
हाँ, म्यूजिक नाइट सिर्फ वाटरलू में ही
अच्छा,
होती
okay.
है. या
Okay,
बट अदर
okay.
ब्रांचेस में नहीं होती है. बिकॉज
Oh,
इट्स अ
okay.
फ्रेंचाइज. ब्रैम्पटन में भी है, मिसिसागा में भी है, वो
Okay.
लंदन में भी है.
So you own the Waterloo one.
Waterloo one.
Waterloo
Yeah,
one. Okay.
yeah, but
तो
I must tell
Waterloo
you-
में ही है, बाकी जगह अगर
नहीं
जाओगे
है.
तो नहीं मिलेगा. Music night सिर्फ Waterloo में ही है.
Yeah, yeah, it's-
Otherwise
Yeah.
our lovely audience will get confused.
Exactly. It started 7 o'clock till 11 o'clock. So guys, please do come and enjoy the music night. Yeah,
Right.
and also we have other promotions going on, like buy one get one in those slow hours, like 3 to 7.
ये तो चाहिए.
Yeah. तो
ये
फिर
तो
आप उस
चाहिए.
टाइम हमारे पास थाली है. तो लंच
What
थाली
kind of
होती
थाली
है.
है?
तो लंच साउथ इंडियन थाली एंड द नॉर्थ इंडियन थाली.
Oh.
Yeah, so South Indian thali mein you can get a dosa and then idli, vada, rice, sambar, everything in one plate. And
Wow.
North Indian mein also, like if you're vegetarian, then you can go with the paneer tikka, and then if you're not
Mouth-watering
vegetarian,
dishes,
yeah, you
Oh
should
my
try
God.
that options. Yeah.
I'm तो South Indian, Bengali, Catholic, now तो East Indian mix, everything mix. But I'm a big fan of dosas.
Oh, every girl is.
Every girl, हाँ,
Whenever
yeah.
my husband asks me, what do you want to eat? I don't say
डोसा के
anything.
सिवाय और कुछ नहीं
मैं कुछ
दिखता है
नहीं
boss.
कहती हूँ. मेरी mother-in-law डोसा. Even when we didn't have our dosa boys, my mother-in-law was also like, okay,
How
डोसा
sweet.
खाने चलते हैं. And अब मेरे बच्चे भी crispy डोसा.
Crispy dosa.
Yeah,
Now that
the plain
क्या
crispy
वो
dosa.
आया है, वो chocolate डोसा भी बनाते हैं ना
चॉकलेट
for
डोसा
kids.
भी है हमारे
हाँ,
पास.
हाँ.
चॉकलेट डोसा भी है.
Right,
हमारे
right.
पास पनीर भुर्जी डोसा है.
Oh my God.
पाव भाजी डोसा है.
बस कर दो आदित्य, बस कर दो. अब तो like now I'll feel more hungry now. But
Yeah.
that's a good thing, you know, like you have done lot of changes in your menu.
Yeah.
Then बहुत सारे marketing strategies आपने use किया है, and then you said you know like an entertainment, क्योंकि इंडिया में you know जो ढाबा विबा होता था वहां पर तो लोग जाते थे लाइक वो सिर्फ गाना
गाने
सुनने के लिए
लिए,
यू नो
yeah.
एंड रेस्टोरेंट्स में भी आजकल इंडिया में भी देयर इज लाइव म्यूजिक एवरीवेयर लाइक
Yeah.
I think 80% of the restaurants in India,
Yeah, that's
you know,
for
they
sure.
have
because
live music.
When me and my husband was dating in 2011 or 2012, we used to go to Chandigarh and go to Paddlers, and वहाँ पे सूफी नाइट होती थी, तो वो हमारा इतना सही टाइम होता था कि मतलब अगर कहीं जाना है तो वहाँ चलो, जबकि हमारे घर से और चंडीगढ़ लाइक 3 घंटे का रास्ता था.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but still we managed to go there every
You get a good
Saturday.
mental peace,
Yeah,
ना?
वो चाहिए होता है
हाँ.
ना. तो एक बार ही डोसा बॉयज आके ट्राई करें म्यूजिक नाइट, मे बी यू गेट दैट वाइब की अच्छा.
और फिर डांस डांस भी होता है कि नहीं?
करो अगर करना
अरे
है तो.
डांस डांस बिकॉज आई एम अ डांसर.
Oh, yeah.
People who know me they already know that I'm a really अमेजिंग डांसर. पता है खुद का तारीफ ज्यादा नहीं करना होता है but कर रही हूँ क्योंकि हूँ मैं अच्छी डांसर.
That's
but
nice.
हाँ, but then we can dance and all everything.
Oh,
ना?
yes,
चलो
yeah,
done.
they have
And then you
their-
guys have like birthday parties and all.
हम
वो
बर्थडे
भी करते
पार्टीज
हो?
भी अरेंज करते हैं.
Oh,
अगर
wow.
आपको आके पर्टिकुलर डे पे बर्थडे पार्टीज करानी है तो जस्ट वेल इन एडवांस आप आके डेफिनेटली बुक अस इन एंड वी गोना अरेंज योर बर्थडे पार्टी. वी गोना मेक इट memorable for you.
Done.
Yeah.
Done. Awesome. Aditi, so before we go deeper into our conversations and और भी चटपटा बातें हम चालू करें, उसके पहले I want to do a quick rapid fire round.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, and whatever the first thing pops into your head, you just have to tell me that.
No, I can say that.
No.
You never know what comes in my mind. Okay, I still have to think about it twice.
ठीक है, बस ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है.
नहीं, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं.
Okay, so first question. What's your go-to dosa filling?
Oh, मसाला डोसा all the time, to be very honest. कुछ
मतलब
भी
मुझे potato-
डोसा में कुछ भी डाल दो यार, पोटैटो के बिना आप डोसा कैसे खाओगे यार.
Done.
That's my favorite.
Then one ingredient you can't live without. But dosa related ही होना चाहिए.
Okay, so this is for you guys. Have you tried podi masala in our
Oh wow.
restaurant? So even if I'm eating masala dosa, I ask my chef to add podi on the top.
वो जो पाउडर
हाँ,
आता है
powder जो
रेडिश
होता है.
कलर का.
Yes,
करेक्ट
yes,
करेक्ट.
yeah.
एंड देन मोस्ट अंडररेटेड साउथ इंडियन डिश.
Because it's not available everywhere, so I would say idiyappam. We serve it. We have in our menu idiyappam and coconut stew, or idiyappam or mutton paya. This combination is the best.
इडियप्पम एंड मटन पाया.
Yeah.
मुझे लगा था कि कनाडा में पाया मिलता ही नहीं है.
या मिलता है यहाँ पे. और इडियप्पम भी बहुत जगह कम मिलता है.
हाँ, इडियप्पम तो बहुत कम जगह मिलता है.
But coconut stew and idiyappam is also like my favorite
Nice.
and underrated. Sorry.
Okay, one more question. One thing Canadian customers always say about your food. Honest, Rhea.
All the Canadian customer. So one more thing, it's a dosa boys. The name says we serve dosa, but we have South Indian, we have North Indian dishes also. Because I'm Punjabi, I love dosa. That's one of the fact. But the other fact is I'm also Punjabi. So we have butter chicken in our menu, and you know that all the Canadians love butter chicken.
Everybody.
And also the name of our butter chicken in our menu is world famous butter chicken. So when you come to our restaurant, just order world famous butter chicken.
वाह.
Yeah.
मतलब ये स्पेशली गोरो के लिए बना है.
Goro ke liye. And they order it. बिना कुछ सोचे समझे, they come and just order butter chicken and naan.
Naan, yeah, butter chicken and naan. Oh my god, I love their
Yeah.
accent. Yeah. Last question. If you weren't running Dosa Boys, what would you be doing today?
अब अभी तो कुछ भी दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा. डोसा बॉयज ही है, वही सब कुछ करेगा.
बहुत ज्यादा प्यार हो गया.
बहुत प्यार है यार. 2 साल हो गए हैं तो डेफिनेटली अभी डोसा बॉयज ही है. बट या साइड बाय साइड चलता रहता है कुछ. बट मेन फोकस इज डोसा बॉयज राइट नाउ.
I know,
Yeah.
like कोई लड़कियां लोग को like you know for them पानी पूरी is their go to thing. or else chocolates, of course, all girls love it.
Hmm.
But you know, talking to you, I feel dosa is your go-to.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay?
मुझे
डोसा
कुछ भी
मतलब डोसा के सिवाय you cannot.
जब इनिशियली व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड आवर न्यू वेंचर है ना, तब मेरी छोटी बेटी 6 महीने की थी, तो वो अपनी दादी के पास रहती थी. देन आई गो टू डोसा बॉयज एवरी मॉर्निंग 11 to till night 11 to 11 आई वाज देयर. तो हर रोज मेरे दिन के 2 डोसे हो रहे थे. कैन यू इमेजिन, लाइक 6 महीने तक मैंने 2 डोसे एवरी डे खाए और मुझे कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ा. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं लगा कि मैं कुछ मिस कर रही हूँ, मैं घर का खाना मिस कर रही हूँ या कुछ ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं लगा. तो या घी मसाला डोसा इज माय वन ऑफ द
घी मसाला डोसा.
Yeah, ghee masala
Because ghee is very good.
Yeah,
of course.
तो
मैं your daughter was 6 months. Yeah,
6
तो
months.
ऐसे कुछ weight gain ऐसा कुछ नहीं
भी नहीं हुआ मुझे.
Perfect.
हाँ, मुझे बहुत फील होता था कि मैं बाहर का खा रही हूँ ना, बट मैं पेट खराब ना हो जाए, कुछ नहीं. बट आई वाज सो स्टन्ड कि मेरे को 6 महीने मैंने डोसा खाया बट मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो मैं अपनी गारंटी देती हूँ डोसा बॉयज की कि हम हाइजीन, क्लीनलीनेस और इन चीज़ों का बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं. इफ समथिंग इज बैड वी जस्ट थ्रो इट ऑफ.
That's good.
Yeah,
That's good.
that should be there when you are
Everything
operating
is fresh.
fresh. Exactly. Yeah, that's our motto.
So Canada is so diverse. How do non-South Asian customers react when they try dosa for the very first time? Like, have you had to adapt any new recipes specifically for Canadian tasters? Like you did speak about butter chicken, but like, is there something else also that they like?
Yeah. As we know that Canada is full of diversity, right? It's the very first day when we opened Dosa Boys, we had a promotion going on like $5.99, and then anything butter chicken with rice and butter paneer with rice and dosa for $5.99. Everything was $5.99, and we were so astonished that instead of us people like the Desi people or South Asian community, all the Canadians, the white people, they were coming. Our restaurant was full of white people, and we were like, how they know about the dosa, how they can even think about dosa when for a Punjabi also it's not like too much common that dosa.
उतना common नहीं है. Correct.
Exactly. तो फिर हमें तो बहुत ही हैरानी हुई थी कि white लोगों को कैसे पता है डोसा, but they know because of the diversity maybe.
Right.
Yeah,
and some white people actually think that it's like a pancake.
Sometimes,
yeah.
Sometimes when someone comes and he doesn't know that what is dosa, and then I explain that it's a very thin crepe or kind of pancake. Utpam is there. Yeah, so that's how we explain. But that's very rare. Like once in a blue moon, if a person is coming and asking me about the dosa, but no, they know all of it. They know each and every dish of South Indians or North Indians. Yeah, they are well versed.
So except butter chicken dosa, if you want to recommend the white people who are watching, the Canadians who are watching our show, if you want to recommend them any other flavor of dosa from your dosa boys, what would you recommend?
Yeah, I would say dosa, they know they can add. Sometimes they ask us that if we can just add the vegetables in the dosa, we do that. Whatever filling they want, we just do it.
So it's customizable.
We customize that. But I would say they should be more aware about like idlis and vadas. Like vada is like your donut but salty. So they should know about these dishes.
In fact, now you said like a donut. When I was introducing to one of my boss, he's a Canadian, and I was introducing him the gulab jamun.
Yeah.
Okay. So when they had that gulab jamun, they are like, it's like a small timbit, like you get in Tim Hortons, like those birthday cake timbits, and it's like just dipped in the sugar water, and for them it's like that.
Yeah, even for my kid, she's like 5 years old, but still she calls timbit a laddu. Or a gulab jamun or a rasgulla. So that's how we introduce the timbits to them, so that they can keep attached to their roots.
Nice.
Yeah, they don't say timbits, they will say laddu khana hai.
Laddu khana hai.
Yeah.
Great. Yeah. Okay, Aditi. So partnerships can be tricky, especially if it is your husband.
Yeah,
so how do you guys divide the roles and responsibilities? And of course, if there is any disagreements, especially when you're making big decisions, how do you find a solution and how do you handle that? क्योंकि पति परमेश्वर है, you know, you cannot disagree directly.
Yes.
You'll have to come up in somewhere in the middle.
Yeah.
So I want to know about that.
Yeah, that's right. Partnership difficult हो जाती हैं and disagreements भी हो जाते हैं, but the question is how you settle those disagreements.
Right.
कि आप एक दूसरे की बात सुन रहे हो. For that we have decided कि ये काम उनका है तो वो वही करेंगे. I'm not gonna pinpoint anything कि ये आपने
Nice.
गलत किया है. और
Nice.
अगर कुछ बताना भी है तो tell him in a constructive feedback कि
Correct.
आप इसको थोड़ा और मॉडिफाई कर सकते हो. और सेम अप्लाइज ऑन हिम. जो मैं कर रही हूँ, जो मेरा रोल है कि मैंने रेस्टोरेंट में देखना है, हाइजीन का देखना है, क्लीनलीनेस का देखना है, टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द स्टाफ, वो सब चीज़ें, हायरिंग कैसे करनी है, वो मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है.
Correct.
एंड अगर उनको कुछ अपना फीडबैक देना भी है तो गिव इट इन अ वे कि मुझे बुरा ना लगे और मैं ये ना सोचूं कि जो कल हमारी लड़ाई हुई थी इसलिए आज मुझे ये बात बोल रहे हैं. तो वो हमने डिसाइड करा हुआ है कि घर की लड़ाई घर में ही रहेगी.
It will not interfere in the business
because
matter.
this is our focus. ये हमारा रेस्टोरेंट है. It's paying our bills. So इसको हमने खराब नहीं करना है. तो जो भी हो रहा है ठीक है, बट रेस्टोरेंट को हमने इकट्ठे ही संभालना है, अपने डिसएग्रीमेंट्स को सॉल्व करना है सही तरीके से. सो वी हैव डिवाइडेड आवर रोल्स. और घर से रेस्टोरेंट आके हम एकदम फ्लिप पर्सनालिटी हो जाते हैं. एंड बीइंग अ जेमिनिन, मैं डुअल पर्सनालिटी हूँ, तो मैं घर में कुछ और हूँ तो रेस्टोरेंट में मैं डेफिनेटली कुछ और हूँ.
People who are watching this show, Geminis, we both are Geminis.
And Geminians are the best, I'm telling you.
They are the best. They are actually
are
very
hard worker.
talented.
Yeah.
Other zodiac signs, do not post any comments. Do not post any harsh comments.
You're also good.
Yeah, you guys are also good, but Geminis, they can, you know, they can manage both the personality.
Yeah.
I guess even my fiance, if you're watching this, understand I have two personalities. Stop arguing with me.
And two positive personality.
Two positive
Don't take it
personality.
as a negative, I'm telling you.
Yeah, like we have that kind of, Aditi, like मुझे ऐसा लगता है we have that kind of bossy nature
Yeah.
भी, but in a good way.
In a good way.
In a good way.
हम अगर
हाँ.
कोई चीज गलत हो रही है तो उसको सही तरीके से करने को कहते हैं. That's it. और कुछ भी
Looks
हमारा
like we're
मोटिव
just
नहीं है.
talking to
We're
our
just-
husbands right now.
I'm just talking to the camera, imagining Himanshu is sitting right there. I'm just speaking to you, Himanshu. Try to understand me.
So, her husband name is Himanshu. He's an amazing
Oh yeah.
supporter.
Definitely.
I know them both. They have been really good owner and founders, not founders, but owner of this franchise,
Yeah.
Dosa Boys. And Himanshu is kind of a person. She came when she first entered. She told me that Himanshu is a little bit shy person. He doesn't like to be much in camera much, but then he does his job really well.
Definitely.
Yeah, he does his job really
I have
well.
2 kids and sometimes I get so much busy with them, and then who takes care of restaurant? He.
Yeah. So
he-
husband has
he's-
both the duties. He's managing.
He takes care of
really
everything.
well.
His restaurant, his own career, own
Correct.
business.
Everything, yeah.
I'm so proud of him, to be very honest.
And it's
That-
very difficult, you know, like especially when you have kids, you have to take care of your family,
Mhm.
you have to take care of your own health.
Yeah.
And she actually doesn't look like she's a mother of 2
I
kids.
am. I do look like, oh, that's
No
kind
way,
of you.
no way. she doesn't actually look like, but then again, like, you know, being an entrepreneur, you also have to take care of your mental health, your
Yeah.
physical health,
Yeah.
and everything. I mean, it's a great job that you're doing.
Thank you, thank
And of course, being a Gemini, keeping that aside, of course, we are multitasker, multi-talented. But even as an entrepreneur, we have to be a multitasker, as we discussed initially. It was really nice talking to you, Aditi.
Same here.
I learned a lot from you, especially when you spoke about the jobs, the struggle that you had to do in the start. It actually aligns with all the immigrants and international students. Don't feel bad for what job you guys are doing now. This is just your first step to reach the success, you know, the path, the dream that you actually wanted, and for what you had come to Canada. So always remember that, always keep working hard. In this Chaiwala show, my main motive, get all inspiring people, inspiring journeys. Of course, even Aditi has come across a lot of failures, lot of ups and downs, but we don't have to give up. Like, whatever we do, whatever job we are doing, one thing that I learned from Aditi is that, of course, she has a beautiful smile. So just keep smiling, just keep working hard, do your best, give your best, and don't care about the rest.
Yeah.
That's it. And thank you everyone for joining and listening to us. I'll be back soon with the next episode with some really nice guest and with some really inspiring story. Till then, see you and keep watching, keep having chai, and I'll do that with Aditi now. Cheers.